Hello everyone. This is Monday, January 29th, 2024. It is 12 noon and we have a current temperature of minus one with a wind chill of -6. Anyways, I started out to make this video and my handle that holds my phone, I forgot to charge it, so I got it on the charger right now. I'm just doing my opening parts of my video. You can see it's snowing pretty good out here today, so I'm hoping to do a walking video around the streets, and once I get enough power in my gimbal to hold this thing, I'm going to go out and do some videos in the snow. Isn't it pretty? You can't even see the harbor. Look, you can't see nothing there. You see the outline of the something over there, but not much. All right. Anyways, I'll just stop it here until I get my gimbal charged up, and then I'll be down on the street. Okay? All right, I'm back. I've got my gimbal all charged up here now, and I'm almost ready to go. Bear with a little bit of jerky movement. I'm just putting the gloves on. There we go. All right. I'm in Scotia Square going over down to Barrington as we walk around on this beautiful snowy day. I think it's a little bit windy out here, but we'll see. There we go. How about that behind me? That ought to keep the phone dry and keep the wind off everything, because the wind kind of blowing this direction. So there we are. What a great winter day. Love it. That's probably our best one this year yet. Not as bad as that big one I was out in though 2 years ago. That took quite a bit to top that one. But anyways, yeah, it's kind of windy out here, but I'm hoping that this will hold up and it won't give me too much trouble. Yeah, I can feel the wind on the umbrella, but hopefully it works. We gotta try. There we are, Barrington, all covered in snow. First time we saw that this year like this. Saw snow a couple times, but it didn't look like this. This is way different than the little flurries we had before here. There wasn't much to them. But this is a good snowstorm. School got canceled this morning because of this. Well, where are we going to go today? I'm sticking around downtown because the higher elevations are windier. So we're going to try, hopefully. This is where my last attempt in the wind failed, right here, and it's right on this intersection. It's always windy here. So hopefully I can get across without destroying my umbrella. That's what happened last time. I just made it over to the other side and it turned right inside out. So we'll try again today. It don't seem as bad as that day, but I can see it's not great. The wind was black at my back when I'm down by the. That's really strange. Whenever you get up here to Duke Street, the wind blowing right up and down Duke Street. When it was just at my back before I got here. Okay, give it a shot. I know it's windy here in the intersection, it always is. But it's not as bad as last time. I gotta say that. It's a little better than that windy day I was out here. I had to give up. You didn't see that video because I didn't post it. It was so bad from the wind. So I just did it over the next day. Yeah, so you don't know what day I'm talking about because I didn't post that. It started out to be a video, but that day was so windy I had to finally give up. The elements have won, and that was it. But today, nah, not so bad. There's wind, but I got my umbrella up here and it seems to be working. Keeping the snow off my phone. Yeah, this is a nice, well, it's not good if you point it the other way. I gotta stay this direction. Okay. I did my opening inside of Scotia Square upstairs. I figured I could take advantage of that spot, do my opening, and then I could come out when my handle got charged. For anyone that doesn't know, when you use these phones, you have to use a handle called a gimbal, and it keeps the phone balanced fairly good while you're walking, so it's not all bumpy. And I forgot to charge that. For some reason, I thought I had everything all charged up, ready to go with one. But I forgot to do that. Anyways, I have a spare battery I carry with me in case I have to charge something up. Let's go. I don't know, let's keep on going down. That building's coming along pretty good now. After it takes a long time when they dig the hole until it starts to rise. There's a lot of work that we don't see going on under there. It takes probably a good year and a half before you see it climbing. I would say right now it snowed, that looks like about 4 inches maybe? I'm not good at estimating centimeters because I'm from the old school when we had inches. So I know what a centimeter is, but it's not the same as telling you how many centimeters that is. But it looks like about 4 or 5 inches of snow right there. Yeah. I think between 4 and 5 inches of snow so far have fallen. I'm glad I made a decision at the last thing that I was going to put on my winter boots, and I'm glad I did. Right through a red light, that truck too. Right through a red light. Guy cleaning the sidewalk over there. This is the only way I can use a gimbal, a phone out in the snow to record. You have to have an umbrella because it will get too much snow in it and then it'll freeze up. And that happened to me once, I'd say a couple of years ago. That happened to me. My phone literally froze up. It was snowing and I thought, well, snow won't hit my phone. A little bit won't, but if you're out for an hour doing a video, it gradually went into the phone and melted and froze, and pretty soon none of the buttons would work on my phone. That day when I had to stop doing my video, and I went home and put it on the register where it was a good bit of heat coming up there, and I left it all that, about a couple hours, and I went right back to the same spot after my phone had froze up, and continued on with my video. After it all dried out, it worked fine. So yeah, so I kind of now carry an umbrella if it's snowing. Well, this is nice, having a good snow day. It was enough to cancel school, and I don't know about my wife's work. She didn't know how that was going to go. Well, she has to take her truck in the garage because she's got a wiper's not working. You can hear the motor running, but the wipers aren't moving. So I think it came unhooked under there. And that's a new truck too. We're pretty new now. Got a few miles on it, but you wouldn't expect the wipers to come unhooked on it. Apparently, they did. And an appointment is for tomorrow. I don't know. She probably went back home. More than likely. Went back home. And tomorrow she has to take her truck to the garage, so she won't be back to work until Wednesday. With that, always rough, miss a couple of days. That is rough, because wintertime, every penny counts, and anyway, it is what it is. Oh, this is great, this walking in the snow, though. I love it. I don't know what it'd be like if I walk up Spring Garden. I don't know what it will be like up there. Maybe I'll try to jig-jog my way up. I'll go part way this way. Okay, I think I'll go this way. Right up the hill. It might get windy in this open area here. We'll see. No, so far so good. Everything's going good. That's the snowiest I've seen this quarter here. Pizza quarter. It's the slowest. Well, I can't talk. The slowest I've seen. I mean, the snowiest I've seen it this year. There, that's what I'm trying to say. It's been bare most of the winter. Here we are, almost the end of January. 2 more days left, and we get a pretty good sized snowstorm. pizza corner there, that corner. That one there is not pizza corner, but there's a pizza on it. This one's pizza corner. Pizza Delight was back on that other corner. Well, we'll go down this way, I guess. Whoop, I got a plow coming up the sidewalk. Yeah, I got one on this side too. No, but we have to walk, so can't do much about it. Looks like he's waiting for everybody to get down past him. I'll walk a little faster so I don't make him wait too long to get going again. Winston Churchill's getting a little bit snowed in today. That's his statue right there. Well, we'll see what it looks like here on Spring Garden in this snowstorm. Wow, coming down right here pretty good. A lot of wind. Oh look, there goes a hardy soul on a bicycle today. Get a little break from the walking in the snow right here. No cars coming. I don't see any sense in standing here waiting. Nobody coming. Yeah, once I get past the corner, it'll be a little better again. I'm going to step right out here and get a good look down the street. There you are, looking right down Spring Garden Road. And looking the other way. Up or down, whichever way your finger's up or down. So I guess they're both up, they're both down. I called this down, but it's actually going up. Snow plan on the buses. Hope the buses don't quit. I'm gonna have a hard time getting home if they take the buses off the road. But it's not that bad. Really, it's not that bad. I mean, you could slide off the road, but it's not too bad. I just thought I'd walk up this way a little ways. Snow's kind of coming towards me, but it's all right. That snow is starting to sound like rain on my umbrella. I think it's going to change over to rain maybe. Well, I don't think I'll go any farther that way. Just give me 1 second. I'm just going to change, put the phone in my other hand and the umbrella in this hand. Because it's harder to hold the umbrella than it is the phone. There, I changed hands. Can you hear it? It sounds like rain. It looks like snow. When it hits the umbrella, it sounds like rain. So I think we might be bordering on 0 to 1 degree maybe. And the snow could be, it could be soon over. We'll see. Now the snow is not making that noise. More like snow again now. So we'll see what happens. go down here a little ways and I'll come up the other side. By the time I get back to there, it might be time to go into Tim Hortons and have a coffee. Right back there a little bit at Tim Hortons. But for now, we'll just keep walking around downtown there. Everybody's heading for Park Lane today because they got a little bit of a mall in there. It's not real big, but got some coffee places and stuff like that, and a Dollarama. And you can, if it's cold out here and snowy, you can go in there and walk around and still get your walking in and go inside. Well, we'll go down to the light, then I'll turn around and come back up this way on the other side. And then we'll see what we want to do after that. Hard to believe a month has passed already since Christmas time. Isn't that something? We're beyond a month now. We're almost to the end of January. Hello. We're almost to the end of January. 2 more days left in January. Well, it looks like Public Gardens is closed today. Don't think anybody's in there today. But it is beautiful just to look at it. But I can't get in, so no sense in walking over there. All right, let's turn around and we'll go that way when the light changes. Okay? See if I can get my elbow in that. All right. All right, let's go up this side. Looking at my clock here. All right. Everything's good. said there was going to be high winds today. So far it's been pretty good, but it looks like that high winds may come to pass. I can feel it rolling up the uphill right here. But that's good, at least I'll get my video over before it becomes impossible. I guess that's a wolf with a bird on its nose and a squirrel on its tail and one running up its back. Pretty cool. Well, this is a great walk out here today. Maybe your best look at winter so far in Halifax. A lot of people show you the storm after, but not too many walk around in the storm making the video. Because you have to be rigged up for it. You have to have an umbrella, or the snow will become too much for your phone. So a lot of people don't make them out in the snow, but they show it after. But I like to go out while it's snowing. That's when it's more scenic and looks really beautiful to be out walking around in the snow. I'm so glad I made the decision to put my winter boots on today. When I left home, it wasn't doing much, just a little flurry, and I was thinking, I got one pair of sneakers that's got high soles, and I probably could stand a bit of snow. But then I thought, maybe not, because one other day I was over here, and I was wearing my sneakers instead of my boots, and it snowed, and my feet got soaked before I got home. Nope, I learned my lesson. If it's going to snow anything at all much, put on my winter boots. Well, there's Tim Hortons right across the road. I'm going over there, and this may not be a real long video, but it's over half an hour, at least 35 minutes maybe, which should be all right. The extra one I made yesterday was almost an hour though, so I made up for it yesterday. All right, I'm gonna just unfold this umbrella. Trying to fold my umbrella up, but somehow it's not cooperating with me. And I gotta fold it up before I can turn off my phone. So there we are. A big dilemma here. There, you have to use two hands. Can't push it against the wall. Don't work good that way. All right, let's get into the cold. There, I got a little shelf right here where I can stop and get my gloves off and finish my video off. Straight inside of Tim Hortons, there's a little shelf right here where you can stand and have your coffee. There's no chairs for this area, but no stools or anything, but you can at least stand here with your coffee. Or you can sit down over the other part. All right. My hands are starting to get cold. Doing that. Well, there we are. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to push that like button. And if you're not a subscriber yet, I'd love it if you just reach out there and push that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, and you'll get all my videos as they come out. And if you push that notification bell, then you'll get a little ding saying, "Oh, Halifax Walker made another video." Okay, let's check it out. So that's the scoop on that. With that, I hope you're having a really nice day. Take care, be safe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.